Wow, it's been a long time since I've made a recording. It's been about exactly 1 week. So we got a lot of ground to cover on this video. So it's probably gonna go pretty quick, but I'm gonna cover a lot of ground. First, let me scroll back to where I was. Okay, so this is where we were at a week ago Thursday. We had closed 7 trades, and there were 2 trades open at the end of the day. Right? It was a good trading day. We got 7. Remember I said that, 3 or 4 I'm happy with 3 or 4, right? If there's less than that, then I don't call it a good day per se, right? Well, okay, let's go to Friday. So Friday, nothing happened other than the basket closing. But you remember on Thursday, I said that we had this great trading day and there was no drama. We've been having some drama. There's always some technical issue or something with the broker or something or other. Well, I was wrong, because as I was recording this video, unbeknownst to myself, the servers that host my web service, that basically is the means of communication for the trade copier, IP blocked my account. So the web service was useless because none of the clients could access it. So literally, we were dead in the water on Thursday night while I was recording the video. I just had no idea until the next day when somebody had noticed that this basket, here's a good example, this basket should have closed down here, right? I mean, remember, I started a 2-pip trailing stop at 5 pips profit, right? 5 pips profit would have been around here somewhere, and a trailing stop would have begun. And look how far down the price went. Like, I potentially could have caught all that move. Of course, with a 2-pip trailing stop, it's almost guaranteed not to happen. So that should have been my first clue that, like, whoa, the price is already past my break even by a long ways, and it didn't close. So Friday, I noticed that I was still in profit, and I just closed it. I think I got like maybe 2 pips profit on the thing. When I think it was like 17 or 18 pips that I could have captured potentially. Anyway, the service was down. I had no idea. Here I am talking, filming, blah, 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 watching the price go, and I had no idea that it was down. It took me all weekend. I couldn't get myself unblocked from my hosting provider, and I realize now that would have been a bad move anyway, because I don't need that dependence on an external service. So what I ended up doing was, oh look, the trade I just had open just closed. So I'll go there later. We'll get there. So what I ended up doing was moving my web service to the Google Cloud services. So now it's in a, what do they call those? An elastic computing engine in the cloud, which means I can now handle huge amounts of traffic to that service. So I could literally have thousands or tens of thousands of subscribers and not have to worry about crashing the server if I get 10,000 people connecting to it at once. Where the hosting service that I was on before, well, it was a cheap hosting service, and I seriously doubt I could have handled more than a couple of hundred subscribers, maybe. So anyway, I closed the trade on Friday manually, and then proceeded to go and figure out what the heck was wrong and fix it. And that took me until late Sunday afternoon, after the market had reopened. So we missed some opportunities. Let's go to Sunday. We did miss some opportunity here. Like, look at this whole downward move I could have caught. But I was still working on getting all that stuff back functional again. And finally I did, and as soon as I turned the thing on, it's like the floodgates opened. So Sunday we closed 4 trades. And did I count that one? I don't know. I think that was one that I did manually up here. Yeah, so we closed 4 trades on Sunday, and then we opened 3 more. Those went into Monday, right? Oh, actually, that's right. This broker combines Sunday and Monday. So this sort of happened between Sunday and Monday. Maybe this one happened on Sunday and this all happened on Monday. I don't know. Like, I don't know where the dividing line is there, but there's 2 days of trading in that one range there. I'm not sure why they do it that way, but or why they display it that way. It's kind of weird. Oh, look, a new trade just went in. All kinds of stuff happening while we're doing other stuff. Okay, so this is Monday. We ended Monday with 3 trades open. Let's go to Tuesday. Tuesday, we closed that basket of 3. We closed another basket of 2, and we opened 2 more trades. So there's 5 right there. It's 3 here, 5, and then 2 waiting for tomorrow, right? So 5 trades, that's a good day. Over here we had 7. That's a good day. We're having good days here. It was really good. I was really happy with what's going on. Right? Oh, I forgot to mention the balance. The balance on Thursday was $386, right? Let's try and remember that. $386 on Sunday, or on Thursday, not Sunday. So here we are, Tuesday. Let's go to Wednesday. Wednesday was kind of a weird one. We closed the basket of 2, and then we opened 3 more. So I can't call that a good day because, remember, the threshold for a good day is 3 or 4 trades. But the next day is looking promising because we had 3 open. Okay. So here we go. Now we got 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 9 open. Wait, what day did I say that was? Okay, there's 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 2 left open at the end of the day. Wow, so that was an amazing day right there. Wait, what day was that? I got to figure that out. Okay, I don't know what day that was, but oh, I guess that's today. That's Thursday. So we got today going on. Oh, look at that right there. Hey, I'm not supposed to be showing you this, but that's that's 9 pips. That's like 9.5 pips. A 2 pip trailing stop that captured 9.5 pips. That's insane. Like, you don't. Well, up over here, here's one. Here's another big one from today. Look at that, 9.5 pips, almost 10 pips. That's crazy. That's some really fast movement. If I turn on the bars, I bet there's some pretty big bars here, right? Yeah, look at that. Look at those. Oh my goodness. That is nuts. That's nuts. All right, let's pretend we're not in Friday. This is Thursday, right? So let's pretend we didn't see Friday. Yeah, there's some big candles. Look at that. If I do candles. Yeah, those are some big candles. Look at that. I'm going to make it wider so it's more visible. Whoops. Where'd it go? Oh, I hate when that happens. Oh, yeah. Look at these. Some of these are ginormous. Compared to, like, look at these guys here. That's typical. And then, wham! 1 candle that's the height of, like, 8 or 9 of these things combined. That is insane. And then more of the same all the way through here. This is nuts. All right, let's put everything back. Turn off the bars. Hide Friday, because technically it's not Friday right now. It's not Friday yet. Take my word for it. Okay. So we closed 9. Let me count that again because I might get it wrong. There's 3. There's 4, 5. Right? There's a basket of 2, so 7, 8, 9. Seriously, we closed 9 trades on Thursday. That's amazing. And we're halfway through Friday. And I gotta count it because we've got trades closed. And so the balance has been affected. So I don't know what the balance was here until we go look at the Myfxbook and we'll get an idea. So far we've got, the day is about halfway over. Yeah, see, I mean, we still got this much of the day left. Day's about halfway over. We've got those 2 closed. We've got 3, 4, and we've got 1 open right now. And I suspect if this volatility continues, we'll probably have another 3 trades easily before the day is over. And then trading will be over for the week. Let's look at the Myfxbook and see where we're at. Okay, here we are at the Myfxbook. And let's see, so it was the 3rd and 4th. So the 3rd was the last day that I recorded. The 4th was that Friday. So we were at 58% on Friday. Thursday we were at 55, 58. So Sunday we went up to 59. Monday, I guess Sunday, Monday, I don't know how that works. Monday, 57. Oh, wait, that's equity. Okay. Monday, 60. Tuesday, 61. Wednesday, 65. Okay. Wait, that's showing 11th. So, no, never mind. That's where we're supposed to end, right there. 65%. Tomorrow we'll be at least 66% unless we end up in a down day. So we're at 65% right now. The balance, let's see, what would have been 404. So we're back above the $400 mark. We're still a ways from the high water mark. What was the high water mark? It was 497. So we still got about $95 to go to get to the high water mark. And we're also, because we're doing a divisor of 300, we won't be able to increase our lot size until we get to $600, in which case we'll up our lot size to 0.03 lots. All right. Let's see. Let's go down and look at the monthlies. Okay, so we're up almost 10% from last month, which was down 3% from the previous month. But we're up almost 9% from last month, right? That's it's looking really good. Like I got a lot more activity than I was saying. I was expecting 3 or 4 trades per day, and we had these days with 7, 9 trades. It's just been great. So I'm really excited. I think this is awesome that things are going so well. All right. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, and what else? What are we missing? The current balance right now is 408. Had a pretty nice trade right there. Oh my goodness. Whenever I see like anything that captures more than, say, 4 pips, to me is really impressive, because literally a 2-pip trailing stop usually doesn't capture anything. You would think it just, you might capture 1 pip above what you're aiming for or whatever. But once in a while, when stuff just moves fast, let's look at those candles again real quick. Yeah, man, look at that. It just like fell off a cliff, But yeah, once in a while when stuff just moves fast and you just happen to start, do that trailing stop and catch a fast move, you can catch 9, 10 pips. You should see maybe later on I'll show my other account. The other account it's the same algorithm, but it's set up differently. The ZuluTrade signal can have up to 10 trades open at once. It has a 4 pip trailing stop, because the account that I'm trading on has a 4 pip stop level, which means I can't do anything less than a 4 pip trailing stop. So as a 4 pip trailing stop that starts at 7 pips profit. And once in a while, that thing will capture like 20 pips, 25 pips. It's just nuts. So I'll have to show in a separate video some of the charts of that account as well, because some of those are pretty exciting. And once in a while, you'll see these baskets of like 6, 7, 8 trades. And those get pretty scary when you get down to 6 or 7 trades and the price is still going against you. And you're like, oh man, when is it going to turn around, you know? But hey, you know, it's part of the deal. But that's the reliable account, though. So, I mean, that thing's up 80% since March with 7% drawdown. So, I mean, you that's like that's a money machine, basically. If you can trade with high leverage, you know, let's say you can double your lot size or even 5x your lot size. So you're talking what, 35% drawdown, you know, and with 400% profit. I'll take those odds, man, you know, in 9 months. But if you trade like a normal, you know, like a not lunatic human, then you're going to want to play it safe, right? 7% drawdown is about as much as you want to tolerate. And then with that, we're still looking at 80+% gains over a 9-month period. So yeah. Anyway, this one hopefully will do way more than that because I'm just hitting it really hard. Although I did tone it down. Remember, I toned it down so that it's trading 0.01 for every, what did I say, for every $300. But still, I'm still milking the leverage for all it's worth. So I don't think I have anything else. We've covered a lot of stuff. You know, we've had a whole week of activity. I should have totaled up the trades, though I wish I had thought to count all the trades and kind of give you a total. Okay, we closed X number of trades for the week. And I'm actually considering doing these videos like every Friday after market close and just do a kind of a weekly summary. And then if I catch anything exciting while it's happening, then I'll post a short video showing what's happening. I think that kind of makes more sense. Now that we've got a pile of videos kind of showing how it goes day to day, I think there's enough there that we can do like weekly summaries. And then like I said, if I catch anything happen while it's happening, I can record it and put it on so you can see, hey, check out what I caught today. That sort of thing. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, and especially, you know, if you like them. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have anything that you'd like to know about, or if there's something you don't understand, like, for example, nobody else on YouTube or on the internet, period, has a channel with no candles in it, right? Who does that? Nobody. I'm the only guy who does that, right? But so if you're like looking at this and you're going, what in the heck is this guy doing? Why are there no candles on the chart? And you haven't seen the videos from the past videos that explain why I do that, you know, post a question. I'll answer it in the comments, or I'll answer it in a future video. But I do want to answer your questions. If you're confused about anything, if you have any questions about, say, you know, like the leverage or stop level or margin calls or any of that stuff, man, I've been doing this stuff so long, I don't even, like, I just know all this stuff. I can do it all in my sleep. So if you have questions, I have answers for you. All right? So that's all I have for today. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.